ResExpert has many modules and features for campgrounds and RV resorts. Two of our most popular modules are Mapping and Meter Billing. Mapping. Add this unique bookable graphical interface to your campground or RV resort. Make bookings directly through the map and easily view available units for a desired date range. Meters. Seamlessly calculate meter readings for easy and simple management of meter sites, bills, and policies. Whatever you need, ResExpert provides it to help simplify your workload and increase your revenue.